Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So what I want to show you guys today is how easy it is to switch between coordinate systems and how to easily quick add them inside an operation. So we'll open up this operation and let's say we need to work on our other face over here. We can simply come up here and switch this over to Mac 2, and I already created a coordinate system for that spot right there. And then now we can keep programming. Now just kind of remember that in between each of your Macs, you would want to have a setup in there, letting the software know that you're going to be flipping that part in the machine. But more importantly, what I wanted to kind of show you here is how to easily add a coordinate system if it's not actually in there. So what I kind of mean by that is if we flip this part over and I need to work on the back side, I don't have to close out of this operation and go into my coordinate system and add it. I can simply just click the coordinate system button right here, click the add button, and we'll call this setup 3. Click on my face that I want to work on, hit the green check mark, and now I can come in here and do my profile along this side. And now we have one for our Mac 3. So I just want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, how easy it is to kind of switch back and forth between your coordinate systems and how to add them right inside the operation. So just want to show you that for the tip of the day today, and have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Thanks guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.